Hello friends, I welcome you all to my channel. So from the beginning of the video, let me thank all the subscribers for subscribing my channel. Question is, find the value of 36 times of, there are 4 products, 4 cos square 9 degree minus 1, 4 cos square 27 degree minus 1, 4 cos square 81 degree minus 1 and 4 cos square 243 degree minus 1. So first I am doing by a method 1. What's it? It is using the complementary angles. We know that cos 81 degree can be written as your cos 90 degree minus 9 degree, that will be sin 9 degree, as well as cos 243 degree can be written as your cos 270 degree minus 27 degree, that will be your minus sine 27 degree. When I'll take the cos square 243, it will be cos square, so it will be square. So there will be no negative sign, it will be positive sine square 27 degree. So rewriting this expression, I'll write 36 4 cos square 9 degree minus 1 into 4 cos square 27 degree minus 1 multiplies 4. Again, this will be sine square 9 degree minus 1 multiplies, this will be sine square 4 sine square 27 degree minus 1. The next line, I'll group them together. One is 4 cos square 9 degree minus 1 into 4 sine square 9 degree minus 1. And here your 4 cos square 27 degree minus 1, again multiply by 4 sine square 27 degree minus 1. Then I'll multiply pairwise. So I'll get 36 times, just multiplying this, it will be 16 cos square 9 sine square 9 minus 4 cos square 9 minus 4 sine square 9 plus 1. And the second one, again it will be 16 cos square 9 sine square 9 minus 4 cos square 27 minus 4 sine square 27 plus 1. Again on simplification, I'll get these two, I'll take together, taking minus 4 common, cos square 9 plus sine square 9 will makes 1. Here also the same thing, it will makes 1. So it will be 16 cos square 9 degree sine square 9 degree minus 4 plus 1. From the second, the 16, by mistake I have written 9 degree, it should be 27 degree. Sorry. So 16 cos square 27 degree sine square 27 degree, again minus 4 plus 1. Is equal to 36 If I'll take 4 outside, this will be 4 cos square 9 into sine square 9. Applying the double formula, this will be sine 18 degree minus 3. Here it will be again 4 into 4 cos square 27 degree sine square 27 degree minus 3. So this is 36, 4 into sine 18 degree whole square minus 3, 4, it will be sine 54 degree whole square minus 3. So we have to recall the value of your sine 18 degree and sine 54 degree. Sine 54 is nothing but your cos 36 degree. So if I'll apply the values, so it will be 4 sine 18 equals to square root 5 plus 1 by 4 its square minus 3, and here it will be 4 multiplies sine 54 is square root 5 minus 1 by 4 whole square minus 3. So this equal to, unless you recall this value, we cannot write in this examination, but just please watch to the till the end so that I'll show you a smart way or a shortcut method of solving this problem. So it will be your 4 into 1 4 will be cancelled, so it will be 5 plus 1, I'm squaring this, plus 2 root 5 by 4 minus 3, because 1 4 will be cancelled with the 4. Second will be this, again this 4 4 will be cancelled, no need of writing, so I'll write 5 plus 1 minus 2 root 5 by 4 minus 3. So 36 into, it will be 6 minus 12, so 2 root 5 minus 6 by 4 into, it will be 6 minus 2 root 5, and it will be minus 6 by 4. Nothing but your 36 into minus 6 square minus 2 root 5 square by 16. This will be 36 multiplies 36 minus 5 into 10. 36 minus 10. 36 minus 20, it will be 16 over 16. Cancelled, the answer is 16. Next I am going for the shortcut method, smart way, which you need in the competitive examination. That is your, I am rewriting the question, 36 4 cos square 9 degree minus 1 4 cos square 27 degree minus 1 4 cos square 81 degree minus 1 and 4 cos square 243 degree minus 1. Only one formula you learn to solve this type of question, that is your I'll write 4 cos square theta minus 1 equals to, I'm multiplying, I'm converting this into sine, so it will be 4 1 minus sine square theta minus 1, it will be 4 minus 4 sine square theta minus 1, or this is equal to 3 minus 4 sine square theta. Now I'll multiply sine theta both in the numerator and denominator. So in the numerator I am getting 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta over sine theta. The numerator is a familiar expression, that is sine 3 theta. So whole expression can be written as sine 3 theta minus sine theta. Now apply all this. So 36 into, first one will be 9 is theta, it will be 27 sine 27 degree by sine 9 degree. Second one will be your sine 81 degree, 3 times of 27 over sine 27 degree, multiplies, it will be sine 81 into 3 243 degree, theta is sine 81, and last one will be sine 243 into 3, it will be 729 over sine 243 degree. So it will be these two cancel, 81 81 cancel, 243 243 cancel. So you are getting 36 multiplies your sine 729 degree over sine 9 degree. So this is your sine 29 degree is equal to sine 2 pi plus 9 degree, or 720 degree plus 9 degree, that is same as your sine theta. So 36 into sine 9 over sine 9, that is equal to 1. 36 into 1, answer is 36. So answer is 36. I hope you enjoyed this method. Thank you for watching. Please keep on watching, keep on learning.